so awesome that I have no views. Give me views.
But you know why?
Yeah.
You know why?
Because I'm not famous.
Because it's a gorgeous day. Everybody's just outside doing their thing.
Yeah.
How do you spell beach?
B-E-A-C-H.
Wow, look at him. He doesn't even know how to spell beach.
Dimitri. How do you
He's
spell
fine
beach
though.
again?
He knows how to B-E-A-C-H.
Yeah.
C-H.
C. Oh.
You gotta clean those ears. What are you doing on your iPod?
Me?
Yeah. Oh yeah, you're uploading. Oh yeah, let's just microwave again.
Oh yeah, I love that one. How many views does it have?
145.
I
That has no like 1 view, I think. I don't know how many views.
That might have been me.
Yeah, a few views.
Is there any thumbs up?
Yeah, I think there's.
That was mine.
Yeah, my video's already been a minute, and I feel like I've done absolutely nothing.
You aren't doing it.
No, that's true. That's been one glimpse of my face.
Why? You don't show people.
No,
Siri.
no, I'm not.
Ah! What's the matter? I slammed my finger. Ooh.
Uh-huh. That's suspicious microwave, though. That microwave, right there. Oh my god, if I can zoom in.
Walk to it. Nah, that's a little far to walk to, isn't it?
To make sure 1 view is on this video.
It's brother playing Fortnite. This is you playing Fortnite, remember? You die? Yeah. Okay, I gotta go. Bye.
Wrong.
See you next time.